Same disease, completely different labs, intravascular versus extravascular. Here's the difference. So in intravascular hemolysis, red blood cells are lysed inside vessels, so LDH and hemoglobin spill into blood. Haptoglobin binds some of the free hemoglobin and takes it to the spleen, where hemoglobin is metabolized into bilirubin, which is then released back into blood. The rest of the free hemoglobin in blood travels to the kidneys and gets filtered, so the urine ends up containing hemoglobin and hemosiderin. And so the lab findings of intravascular hemolysis are increased serum bilirubin and LDH, decreased serum haptoglobin because it's being used up by binding hemoglobin, and the presence of hemoglobin and hemosiderin in the urine. But in extravascular hemolysis, the red blood cells get lysed in the spleen, not inside the vessels. Red blood cells release LDH and hemoglobin into the spleen. The LDH directly enters the blood, but hemoglobin gets metabolized first to bilirubin in the spleen, and then the bilirubin gets secreted into blood. So the key difference in extravascular hemolysis is we don't get hemoglobin directly in the blood. So our labs for extravascular hemolysis, we still get high serum bilirubin and LDH, but since there's not much free hemoglobin in the blood, serum hapto levels don't get depleted, and there's no hemoglobin or hemosiderin in the urine. So these are the two key labs to help you know if it's intravascular or extravascular hemolysis. And if you want to actually understand hemolytic anemia, I break it down step by step. Click the full length video below.